All right, let me share my screen real quick here. And so this is InfoSparks. It's an option that we have here in transaction or in the tools. Go down here to InfoSparks, and then you're able to see what's going on in different regions based on all these different categories. So I plug in 55106. Right now, I'm going to do this is the general, right? This is the average sale price here, median, right? So I'm going to plug in 234 more as a category, single family, and then previously owned. And then I'm just going to kind of keep it like that. And what I'm going to see here is that in March, April, and May, it was all leveled off. And so that is pretty much what I'm going to share with Trish. That we're still good with the price. I still believe we're still good with the price. It has leveled off in that zip code or in that particular market as far as sales price. What we did see is days on the market. The average days on market went from 26 to 20 to 28. So I think I am going to say that the days on market went up, meaning it takes a little bit slower to get the house to get the house sold, but we are seeing an increase of the original list price. So on average for the last 3 months for sure, but even as far as back as May of last year, we've been seeing that we are getting sale price is we're getting, what is it here? Oh, here we go. Not that one. Original list price. Sorry. This is what I was. Oh, never mind that. We don't want to show that. Well, maybe we can, I suppose. We're still seeing 102% of the original list price. So I think we're okay. That's what I'm going to say. But this is where you see the information. So I'm going to reply to her that sales prices have leveled off. So I think we're still in a good position. Days on market have gone up a little bit. I've seen an uptick, so it means it's going to be on the market maybe a little bit longer than what we might had hoped for. But we're still seeing, 102% of last list price. So percent of original list price. Yeah, 102. All right, thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.